Narayana. Our team have come here to explain about Institution Innovation Council (IIC). This is our outreach program on institution and entrepreneurship. So firstly, I will explain you about Institution Innovation and Council. Institution Innovation and Council is an initiative under the Innovation Cell of the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It focuses on promoting innovation and entrepreneurship in educating institutions across the country. So, Institution Innovation Council is innovated under the Education Ministry of Government of India. This program is taken for educate the students about the innovation and entrepreneurship for higher studies, higher institutions to explain about this. So IICs are established to encourage students to engage in innovative thinking, problem solving and entrepreneurial activities. This council organizes various events, workshops and innovation among students. So IIC is established to encourage the students and motivate the students towards the innovation, entrepreneurship, and also it forms into it sends the workshops to the higher institutions to explain about the innovation and institution to the students. So the overall aim of IIC is to prepare the students for real world challenges toward innovation and entrepreneurship. The overall its goal is to explain the students, educate the students on the topic of innovation and entrepreneurship. Let's start I will explain you about the innovation, meaning of innovation. Innovation is the process of introducing new ideas, methods, products or services to bring about positive changes or improvement. Innovation means to get the positive changes in implementation of changing the methods and products or services, creating the new products and services and sending it to the marketing is known as innovation. And innovation involves creative thinking, problem solving. Innovation can occur in various fields such as technology, business, science and social studies, etc. Innovation means you have to innovate it. Innovate means to create new products or any services. You should use your minds to create it. It is known as innovation and it is formed in various fields such as technology, science and social studies, etc. Nextly, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is an individual who takes an idea or product and creates a business. This process is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur means a person who takes the products and create the new ideas regarding this business is known as entrepreneurship. They may create and manage their own enterprise, organizing resources and taking on the challenges of building and growing a business. They create their own business strongly with their minds. How to involve, how to create new products or something is known as entrepreneur. To organize the new resources, entrepreneur play a crucial role in driving economy, development of introducing new ideas, products and services to marketing. They will innovate the new marketing strategies and through their businesses to involve in their business growth. So this is known as entrepreneurship. So this IIC council has given us the project of innovation and entrepreneurship. From our college, they have come here to explain you about it. So next part will be continued by Akshay. Thank you.
We see in a border here. Border should be back side. Okay, no? Back side. Take your doll. Put it here. Okay, no? Like this. Rotate. After rotating it, you have to make caves here. Yes. Just folding it one by one. Fold. You have to fold it. Okay, the plate should come here, this side. Come here. Wrapping it around his arm. Okay? So this is how you make the doll. This is how you wrap the saree to a doll. Okay? Wrapping the saree. You can find sheets like this in the market. Okay? Using these sheets. This will be the jewelry. Okay?